The
ciabatta,
feminine plural
ciabatte,
is a classic type of Italian bread made from wheat flour, water, salt, yeast, and olive oil. Recognizable by its long flat shape, large holes, and crunchiness, it's a very popular choice for sandwich making across the world. Ciabatta is actually one way of saying slipper in Italian. We can assume that the long, broad, flat shape of the bread reminded its inventor
Arnaldo Cavallari,
of this particular kind of footwear. As with many Italian food names, ciabatta has been anglicized to suit the sounds of the English language. That said, there isn't a massive difference between the two pronunciations. In fact, the only relevant difference is that English speakers don't pronounce the double T.
ciabatta, ciabatta. Ho comprato 3 ciabatte dal panettiere questa mattina.
I bought 3 ciabatta loaves at the bakery this morning. Other meanings for ciabatta in Italian are a multi-plug adapter or power strip, due to its oblong shape, an old person or thing that's considered worn out and useless.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.